Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will show you how to resolve the issue of Facebook ads not delivering. If you have encountered this problem, you know how frustrating it is to see your campaign stalled when you are ready to reach your audience. Don't worry, as I will walk you through a simple process to identify and fix these delivery errors. First, you need to open the Facebook Ads Manager. You can easily find this by searching on Google or using a bookmark if you have one saved. Once you arrive at the site, click on the button to go to the Ads Manager. This will take you straight to your main dashboard where all your active and past campaigns are stored. If the system asks for your email and password, go ahead and log in to ensure you have full administrative access to the account. Once you are inside, you will see many different tools, but our primary focus is the campaign's dashboard. This area acts as your central command for every ad you create. Now, look closely at the delivery column within this dashboard. This specific column is very important because it reveals the real-time status of your ads and campaign sets. This is where you can verify if your content is active, pending, or currently disabled. If the status is listed as pending, there are a few possibilities. Your ad might still be in the draft stage, or it could be undergoing a standard review by the Facebook team to ensure it meets their community guidelines. Additionally, it might simply be scheduled to launch at a future date. On the other hand, if the status says off, it means the ad was manually stopped by a user or deactivated by an automated rule. Facebook allows for these rules to manage delivery based on budget limits or specific schedules. Always review these settings if your ads aren't performing as expected. Make it a routine to check your delivery status to ensure your budget and schedule are aligned. By monitoring these indicators, you can quickly solve problems and ensure your ads reach the right people. Following these steps will help you pinpoint exactly why your Facebook ads aren't delivering so you can get back on track.